Hello everybody and welcome to today's video, and today's video is on the Futurismoto Tailtidy for the BMW S1000RR, but because the RR has the same chassis and back end of the 2021 onwards single R, it meant I could put it on my single R. So here it is on the bike. Now, excuse the refresh rate flashing of the lights. I tried on different devices to try and capture it, and it proved quite difficult, so apologies there. But as always with my videos, this is on my impressions of the product, the company, and how I felt. So here in the background, you're just going to see some sped up footage of me taking off the NRG New Rage Cycles Tailtidy that I had on previously, and then install the Futurismoto. There is a better video of this on Kalimoto's TV, which I will link in the description below, but maybe you'll find this useful as well, so I'll leave that playing in the background while I tell you about the product. So what to say about Futurismoto? The first thing to start with is it is a one-man band company. So basically, Kyle is the product designer, manufacturer, MD, cleaner, does absolutely everything in the company. He's the one who has designed and manufactured the product. And his wife, Tina, is the lady who replies to emails and helps out with some office admin. And I've got to say, what they produced is unbelievable. This Tailtidy, when it arrived, I could not believe the quality difference from Futurismoto to the NRC. NRC, if you were going to say the quality of that product was, say, I don't know, 5 out of 10, you've seen me do some corrections on fixing what I would think was a dangerous rear, then Futurismoto is 11 out of 10. I mean, it's better than Evotech and R&G's Tailtidys that you can buy. The quality is unbelievable. The way it was thought out, the way that it installs is brilliant. It's such a good product. You can see here playing that it fits the bike so well. It's so sleek, unassuming, you know, it just tidies up the back end so much, especially in comparison to the other Tailtidys from R&G and Evotech, where they put the original BMW indicators out to the side. NRC has the nice swooping around, but like I say, the quality isn't that great on it, and you have to adjust things. With the Futurismoto, you do have the number plate options like I have sticking out, which is UK legal, but you do also in the pack for just a couple of bucks more can have a tuck plate option. Worth noting though, you can see here that the number plate light is working in this position, whereas obviously if you put the license plate in a tucked position, then that number plate light isn't going to work and you're going to have some issues. And speaking of issues, I encountered one. After 4 months of having the product, unfortunately the left indicator died and didn't work. And this is where I think actually you really get the measure of a company. I emailed, I'm within a 6-month warranty period, so they have sent out for me a new harness and a new wiring loom in effect. And I'm going to show you here how easy that is to change. You literally take out a screw, you pop the new one in, put the screw back in. So if anything goes wrong with the Futurismoto in the future, that is a real easy fix. Pricing at the moment for that, it was covered under the 6-month warranty, but they are charging just $31 US for that replacement, which is, you know, tremendous value for money. So again, you know, there should be no fear with the electronics on here, and I'm sure it's just a blip. You know, I went away on holiday, left a bike with BMW, it was standing over there, I don't know what's happened, but came back and the left indicator's not working. Don't know if a software update killed it or rain got in there, whatever it could be. $31 to replace it is very, very cost effective. The only thing is, obviously in the UK, waiting for America to come over, you're looking at a good 2 to 3 weeks without the Tailtidy. As Kalimoto put on his channel, and as I'm going to emphasize here, when you go through the initial pain of taking off the whole back end of your bike, all the winglets and everything else, just keep the cables loose under your seat, and it's so easy, as you can see playing here, to just take the Tailtidy on and off. So if you're doing track days, this is just literally 3 screws, feed the cable out, 3 screws, you know, from the original Tidy to put the cable back in and clip it all together. It's so easy once you don't have to take the side panels off and the winglets, and there's no gain to putting them there. There's plenty of room under the seat to shove them in. So, as always, I hope this review was useful for you. As I say, Futurismoto is a one-man band company, so you do have long waiting times. You have to sign up when he runs out of stock, to which, as soon as you get an email saying stock is back in, I think he sells out within about 48 hours. If any of the big companies are watching, get in touch with this guy, Carl, at Futurismoto, and please buy him out, or, you know, offer to scale his company, because the product is fantastic, and he is making the Tailtidy for plenty of other bikes, Ducatis, etc. So it would be brilliant to see his company expand and him get the recognition that Futurismoto deserves, because I am genuinely so in love with this Tailtidy, but not just because of the way it looks, the way the company just acts about itself, the way the company, from the packaging of the product, the design of the project, the simplicity of the product, future of the product, in that, you know, when things went wrong, how it can be repaired, etc. Futurismoto, 100%, you know, go buy one if you have the opportunity to. Absolutely brilliant product. As always, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. A like and a subscribe will help the channel and will be greatly appreciated. Thanks as always.